So currently it is quite cold out. I think it's about 15 or 16 degrees Fahrenheit out, and I am going to attempt to sketch in this cold weather. So we'll see how many I can get in tonight. But right now I have the open cluster NGC457 in the constellation Cassiopeia in the Eyepiece. So let's have a quick look at Stellarium to see where that is in the night sky, and then we will get on with the sketch.
NGC457 is an open cluster in the constellation Cassiopeia. It has many names such as the Owl Cluster, ET Cluster, Dragonfly Cluster, and so on. It is about 2 degrees from the star Rukba and 3.5 degrees from the star Navi, forming a triangle with the three objects. This open cluster is around 7,900 light-years away and can be easily seen through a pair of binoculars or a small telescope. This cluster is a magnitude 6.4 and easily visible under heavily light-polluted skies. Now that we know where we're looking, let's get on with the sketch. After pointing the telescope at NGC 457, I centered the object in the eyepiece and began my observation. I started placing the stars around the outside edge, working my way in towards the center now and then, and I placed the two brighter stars that form the eyes of this object. After that, I spent a while trying to get the placement right for the fainter stars that form the body of the owl cluster. After the main bright stars were placed, I spent my time hunting out the dimmer stars that were harder to see. Having the bright stars already in place makes it easier to place the dimmer stars that are in the field of view. The final steps were to use the kneaded eraser to dim some of the stars to better represent the view through the eyepiece. So now that we've done that, let's have a look at the final drawing. After bringing the sketch inside under good lighting, I did a small amount of touch-up and added a bit of color. The brighter of the two stars that form the eyes had a slight yellow color, and the dimmer star was a bit more blue. To the north of the brighter star was a small orange or red star, which I also marked in this image. The color was a lot more subtle in the eyepiece than I was able to represent in the sketch. I had virtually no moon that night, so it was a great night for some observations, although the seeing and transparency could have been a little bit better. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and clear skies.